Welcome back to CAD Institute. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this complex shaped body using some simple tools and techniques in SolidWorks. Make sure to watch the full video to understand each step clearly. Let's get started. First, open a new part and set the background to plain white. Start a sketch on the front plane. Select the centerline tool and enable infinite length. Draw two center lines, one horizontal and one vertical, intersecting at the origin. Now, draw two circles centered on these lines. Use the three-point arc tool to create an arc connecting the circles, something like this. Select both circles and make them equal in diameter. Set the diameter of the circles to 1.4 millimeters. Set the radius of the arc to 4.7 millimeters. Select the arc in one of the circles and make them tangent. Do the same for the other arc and circle. Select the vertical center line and the origin and make them coincident. Hold the Shift key and select the vertical line in one of the circles. Set the distance between them to 6 millimeters. Now, trim all the extra lines that are not part of the shape. Once the trimming is done, go to Mirror Entities, select the sketched lines, and mirror them about the horizontal center line. Close the sketch by final line. Go to the Features tab and choose the Revolve Boss command. For the axis of revolution, select the vertical line. Revolve the sketch a full 360 degrees and click OK. Now we have the first 3D shape of our model. Next, go to Insert greater than Features greater than Split. For the Trim tool, select the front plane and choose the full body as the target to be split. This will divide the solid into two separate bodies. Click OK. As you can see, we now have two solid bodies. Go again to Insert greater than Features greater than Move, Copy. You can also access this from the toolbar. Select the second body and enable the Rotate option. Choose the Z-axis as the axis of rotation and set the rotation angle to 90 degrees. Click OK. Now we still have two bodies, but we need to combine them into one. Go to Insert greater than Features greater than Combine, or use the icon in the toolbar. Set the operation type to Add, and select both solid bodies. Press OK. Now the part is unified into a single solid body. Select the part. Go to Appearance, and apply a realistic color or material finish of your choice. Click OK. And that's it. This is how you can create a complex part in SolidWorks using simple tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.